Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. Today we'll be digressing a little bit from the usual. We will be using an African print called Kente in Ghana language to make our fascinator. I know it's called Kente in Ghana language. I don't know what it's called in other African countries. I know this fabric, I think, is originated from Ghana. Do you know Africa is beautiful and has a lot we could draw out from nature? It's high time we start promoting our culture, our own fabric to make different things. We could use this fabric to make dresses, fascinators, shoes to adorn ourselves in any occasion because it's colorful. It will go with either plain or same fabric. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Here are the things needed for making this fascinator. Remember I said it's going to be an African print fascinator, so I'm using this African prints. That's my feathers, boning. Here is the wire, millinery wire, UHU. Here is the nates and a bra cup with my needle and threads, cutter. So let's go straight to the process, and before I show you everything, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my wire. I'm gonna cut out 50 inches, then wrap it with my net the way I usually do. Then I'm going to cover it with the net. Also, I'm going to cover this as well with the African print. Then I'm going to also wrap this my boning. Then when I'm done with everything, I'm going to let you know. I will couple everything in your presence. But if you don't know how to wrap this, kindly check the link below. I'm going to put the link in the description box. If you also don't know how to wrap your millinery wire, so check the link below. So in order for us not to waste our time, because these are things I've done over and over again, so I will just go ahead and do them off camera, then get back to us. You can see I'm done with the cup. I use the net to wrap the inner part while I use the Africa print to wrap the outer part. Then I also use the African print to cover the net, cover the wire, sorry. Then I use my net to cover it afterwards. So you can see it's a love shape. I have exactly this video on my YouTube channel. A client of mine requested for this exact part, just that I didn't use Africa print to cover it in the first place, so that's why I'm recording it again. So I'm going to face it up like so. I want this place to stand like this. So I'm going to go ahead, place this over this right now and stitch it and sew it. I hope you know how to do that. If not, please check the link below. You're going to learn it as well. You can see I'm done with it. I succeeded in attaching the crown to the brim like so. Then I made this smaller one as well. I did it in form of a triangle, as in a love shape. So I'm just going to attach it right here like this. So I'll stitch it like so. Let me try and place it okay. I think like this is okay. Then I'm going to embellish it and get back to us. Here's our fascinator. It's ready. Wow, is this not amazing? You can see this curved part facing this dome here. This is what thrills me most in this fascinator, the way this place is curved, the way it's shaped. This is a love shape fascinator. If you want to learn how to make this shape exactly, kindly check the description box. So you will see our previous video on how I did something like this. Then here is the inner part of it. You can see how neat it's looking. Always make sure that your work is very neat. You can see I covered the stitches with a bias strip, and I also added an elastic instead of a hairband. So I used an elastic. So this is it. Wow, this is lovely. And there is one more thing. I also went ahead to make this for the client. She wanted to rock the shoe with this fascinator. You can see this is an African print. This is in Ghana fabric. So the person is going to rock it to church. So you can see how neat it's looking, everything like a shoe that was bought from the market. So if you want to learn how to wrap shoes like this, check the comment description box. Sorry, you will see a previous video on how I wrapped shoe. And if you still don't understand and you still want me to do a fresh video, kindly let me know in the comment section so that I can come up with a video like that. If you like this video, kindly give us thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you are still here and you haven't subscribed, you are wrong. If today is your first time tuning in, you are in the right place. You are welcome. We upload videos every Mondays and Thursdays, and do well to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell in front of your subscribe button so that anytime we upload new videos, you'll be the first to get notification. I'm going to leave you guys here. Stay tuned for more videos. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.